Get ready to bring your vision to life. With 80 years of expertise, we're your community specialists in DIY projects, construction, and more. We've streamlined our offerings into 3 groups, all for your ultimate convenience.
Jack's Paint, your community paint store.
I'm here at a Jack's Paint specialist store. I'm about to tackle my baby nursery and I'm here to get everything I need to paint a feature wall.
Hi, is there anything that I can help you with?
Hi, yes please. I'm looking to paint a feature wall in my nursery. The existing color is grey, so I was thinking to go with a green.
So in other words, you're looking at bringing a bit of nature into your nursery?
Yes.
Okay, do you have any idea if you want a blue-green or a yellow-green?
I think a blue-green.
Okay.
I think a blue-green.
That will give you a bit more balance.
Okay.
So we would start looking from this section. I suggest something towards here would give you
Yes, that looks
a good
great.
indication. If you want the color to come forward, then you would choose that. If you want to create depth, go for the slightly darker green.
Okay. I'm just waiting for my color to be tinted, but I believe that your store can do eye matching. Will you explain that a bit?
Yes, that's what makes a specialist paint store different to another big shade, is because my tinters that are in store have got a natural affinity with color. They understand color. You could even bring a piece of fabric or a leaf from your garden, and they can actually eye match it. They can formulate according to what they see, which is
incredible.
Absolutely.
We've got what we need. Now let's head on over to our nursery and get painting. We'll be painting an arch along this wall, but first up we need to wash the wall with sugar soap to make sure that there is no dirt or dust that will interfere with our paint. So in order to make the perfect arch, you need to measure from the center of your arch to the end point and attach the one end of the string onto your pencil. And you hold it taut so that as you lift your hand, it creates a smooth arch. Perfect, now we will do the same on the other side. Okay, so I will start off with my cutting brush. This is to do the edges because it creates straight and accurate lines with the paint. Okay, now let's tackle the arch. The key is confident and steady strokes. Okay, now I'm going to use the roller to do the inside of the arch. This is just the beginning of my baby nursery makeover. I can't wait to make it look even better.
With a vibrant palette of over 4,500 colors, Jack's Paint specialist stores are your go-to for decorative and industrial paint, as well as waterproofing, wood care, and specialized coatings. Get your paint project started. Visit Jack's Paint specialist stores for the perfect shade and expert advice.
Jack's Paint, your community paint store.